18 amazing health benefits of green tea to boost your immune system. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Drinking green tea will improve your overall health and well-being. Did you know that drinking green tea will lower the risk of Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease and cardiovascular disease? 18 amazing health benefits of green tea to boost your immune system. Antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory. Antibacterial. Improves overall health. Lowers bad cholesterol. Improves brain function. Increases fat burning. Helps with weight loss. Improves physical performance. Boost metabolic rate. Improves mouth health. Reduces bad breath. Helps with type 2 diabetes. Lowers blood sugar. Reduces risk of cardiovascular diseases. Lowers risk of infections. Lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Lowers the risk of Parkinson's disease. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.